Hello everybody, today we will be making flaxseed wraps, or you may call it tortillas. And here I have golden flaxseed. There's two types, one is dark and one is golden. So just use any blender you have. I will be using this one here, and I will be putting it in there, and I will grind this up dry into flour. Okay, so we give it a good shake so that way all is blended properly. I want fine flour. Okay, so this looks ready. Let's add it in this bowl and give it a mix. Okay, so here you decide what spices you would like to add in this flour. It's up to you, but I will be using a pinch of cumin. And to add color to my wraps or tortillas, I'm going to add a pinch of turmeric and salt to taste. Give it a good mix. Once very well mixed, I will be adding 1 tablespoon of lard or any oil of your choice. Okay, so now we're going to be adding water little by little. 1, 2, and 3. And give it a mix. Okay, so make sure the dough is not too dry and not way wet. So practice makes perfect. You will notice the differences. When it's dry, it comes out to like crackers instead of a flexible wrap. I'm adding another tablespoon. I actually use a total of 5 tablespoons. Now the trick is to leave the dough one side to rest for at least 1 hour or the maximum 30 minutes. The more it rests, the better your dough will come out. Trust me. Okay, so that's gonna stay there one side for 1 hour and I'll be back. I will be fast forwarding so the video doesn't come out way too long. Okay, so once your dough has rested, you're going to grab your tortilla press and you're going to need a plastic to cover the top and the bottom, or you can use 2 pieces of plastic cut. Now, if you don't have one, you're going to be using a rolling pin, and same thing, use a plastic, fold it, and then you could either use your hands by pressing it, or you can just, use the palm of your hand, which is easier to just shape it round. Or you can use a plate, which also you can press down as well. I have some water here to wet my hands so that way the dough doesn't stick on my hands. I'm taking small pieces. I'm gonna probably get maybe 5 or 6 because I've used a small amount since I'm on carnivore, and I know nobody else is gonna eat this, but maybe my mother-in-law. If you want to double it, you can use 10 tablespoons equals 1 cup flour of flaxseed. Okay, so I wet my hands and you can see that the dough is not sticking on my hands at all. So now we put the plastic over and put the lid over and press. Okay, so you lift it up and you can see how beautiful this looks. Now I'm going to turn it because this side is a little more thicker. So just press lightly. Do not press too hard. You don't want it to be way too thin. Okay, so now we lift up the plastic and we're going to try to take out this tortilla with the palm of the hand. Unstick it gently and it will come out. And now we're going to put it on the pan. Your pan should be heating up, of course, on low heat. This dough is also very good and flexible to make empanadas. I've made empanadas. I will leave the picture somewhere almost at the end. And it fries in a lot of oil without breaking, without, no breakups, nothing like that. It will fry like a normal empanada and it really looks beautiful as well. You can do it in the oven if you like less oil, but I'm just letting you know that this dough really works for empanadas as well. Okay, so this tortilla only needs like 2 or 3 minutes each side and it's done. Once it's nice and golden, it's done. I'm using paper towel since I cannot find my container to put away my tortillas. Okay. Now to fast forward so my video does not bore you to death. so here is the results. I hope you try it out and let me know how you did it different. Just follow the steps and you will get it right. Practice makes perfect. Trust me, my first time I didn't succeed, but then more practice, now you know how your dough should be. So anyways, my friends, if you're new, subscribe. Don't forget to click that bell so you don't miss any of my videos. And share the video. Comment below, thumbs up. And thank you all for watching. And my apologies for my camera that has stopped working. I had to use my cell phone, which I used it the wrong way. Anyways, but you can still see the video. Thank you so much for your patience. Thank you for watching. Bye.